This is a quick review of this 72-inch armoire from Best Toys Products. This is the black version. There's one that's all oak in color, so I'm assuming that would be all this color that's entirely done in oak. But this is the black version. I like the way the contrast is between the black doors, the outer structure, and the shelves themselves. But this is really nice. It's got 5 shelves. 2 of them are adjustable. You can see that this is one of the ones that is adjustable here. There's a peg missing here, but it's resting on those pegs that can be pulled out. And this can be raised, about 2 inches up and 2 inches down. And the same thing goes with the shelf that's inside the doors here. This one is adjustable inside here, and it's about the same. It's got about 2 inches of up and down. I have it set in the middle, but you got the base shelf here, number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You've got about 15 inches of depth up here on the top 2 shelves. The rest of the shelves are about a little bit less because of the doors and where they're at, by about 14 inches. So you got about 28 wide by 14 inch deep on these shelves. 28 by 15 on the upper 2, and then you've got this nice arch up on the top that just kind of gives it a nice look and feel to it overall. Once we get it set up, we'll be able to stow some things in behind these doors here. These are soft closed doors, and it has this nice modern looking lines that go through the middle of it going down. There was some assembly required. It took me a couple hours to put this together. It wasn't challenging or anything. I know how to build furniture. If you're handy and you can do it, it's really not that bad. Pretty standard stuff when it comes to assembly. It's just a sharp looking armoire. Looking for any space where you needed a black accent to go with your decor or whatever. It's just awesome.